How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can create a static TV effect in Geometry Dash. Now, doing this is extremely simple. Basically, I recommend two triggers in order to do this. The first one is going to be the chromatic trigger. So of course, you want to place this where you want the effect to start happening. And then let's click on Edit Object. Modify this the way you want to. In my case, I'm going to be modifying the X and the Y itself. And then let's click on OK, and as you can see, it will then have this effect right here. So let's go ahead and play out the level to see what happens. As you can see, we are now having this screen effect right here. Now, to further enhance the effect, we're going to add the glitch effect. And then from here, click Edit Object, modify the strength the way you want to. And then basically we have some additional options that you can simply tweak, but generally it will then simply look something like this. As you can see now, it looks like a static TV. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.